Marion Nero, 55 Jesse Court. I also want to say I'm in support of Plan C, which is no mill increase at all. All right. But on second thought, if I have to, I'll take Plan B. For the past couple of years, we've been told that our mill rates have been kept, the increases have been minimal, and our tax increases have been minimal. Last year it was $200, for that was $200. Now we're talking about $200 this year. That's fine, but take that into consideration for 4 or 5 years. All right, we're not looking at $200. We're looking at $1,000. All right, with the way things are going today, the average homeowner cannot sustain that. I don't think it's fair to ask the average homeowner to sustain that. We have a lot of things that we have to pay for, and that has to be taken into consideration too. Someone came and said, it's not what you want, it's what's needed. All right, we all have wants, but this year we really have to decide what we really need, and is it necessary. So that's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Nero.